Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah. Go.
Good morning, Miles of Mayhem. It is day 0, if you will. The inaugural test and tune, the day before Miles of Mayhem actually gets started. We're in the pits here, just starting to get things ready to go, but I can tell it's going to be a good day already. Mike's got the Crown Vic ready to rock. Show me the siren, bud.
How loud do you want it?
Loud as she goes. that's not gonna get you in trouble at all.
Pull over.
Yeah. Well, we made it through tech. I don't know why I was so worried about it. That was probably one of the easier techs I've done. Brett made it here. Sounds like Norm and Chris are on their way. Yeah, so Lane should open here soon. We'll go make a couple test hits and then just hang out in the pits, I'm sure, because I don't need to beat up on the truck today. I just want to make sure things are kind of lined up and get that kind of the first pass jitters out of the way, and yeah, we'll get ready to start this whole deal tomorrow. I'll do a quick cruise around the pits and kind of show you who's here, and lots of familiar faces, lots of new faces, and some big horsepower cars here, so this is going to be an exciting week for sure.
If everyone has the app on their phone, you got to get the Rad Torque app to get your time slips here. There's no paper time slips. It went pretty quiet there. Yeah.
there's my first test pass. Ran a 746 at about 90 mile an hour, 068 60 foot, or reaction time, sorry, my 60 foot was 166. Yeah, I wish 068. But no, it's good. So I'm just gonna hook up the laptop, pull a little bit of timing, so go out for another test hit, see if we can't get her dialed to 7.5. That's my second test hit. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I pulled 2 degrees of timing out after the 746 and around a 751. 068, exact same reaction time again, and a 167 60 foot. So I'm obviously happy with that. If I can repeat that tomorrow, I'll be laughing. So that makes me feel really good. So test and tune was a success. So, still in the pits here. Just a quick update on Norm's truck. Turbo's in Vermilion tomorrow. I'll probably grab that tonight. We're going to throw on the old turbo that smokes, just to make a hit tomorrow and get that slip so that we can hit the road, and then hopefully the route takes us through Vermilion so we can just grab that turbo on the way, swap it out tomorrow night for Saskatoon. So fingers crossed.
This one has this weird sleeve that I don't have good enough pliers to split.
So I'm gonna put it
Make it wide enough because this one will fit. We'll just have to be careful tightening it that it doesn't twist on us.
Okay.
Well, do you want
pounded
if we tighten this really tight,
pound
when we go to weld
yeah,
this,
if you pound the fucking tabs
we'll
down.
tighten the shit of this before we weld it.
Yeah.
Steven.
Yo.
Can you unload the welder, please?
Welder tab.
I'm not that crazy.
Sounds terrific.
Getting there to the boost they want or something. I'm genuinely curious. I want to see if this fucker will do it.
Steven, I wouldn't even bother.
Put it on the test. The thing has the wattage to do it. I'm curious if it'll handle it.
I don't know for how long.
Well, it gives you 1,800 for 2 hours.
Okay,
So,
we'll do it.
I'm curious. We have to find out Jenny. Yeah, but I'm genuinely curious to see if this fucker will do it.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Here you go, Norm.
If somebody wants to have sore eyes tomorrow, watch me weld.
Oh, hell yeah.
Norm,
I'll watch you weld, Norm.
Fairly tight. It's not moving now.
Perfect.
So you can probably put a bead along there.
Okay.
It's the best I can do with what I've got.
They're
right here. Hey Norm,
I've got welding.
oh, you got some? Fine, I'll just put these back.
Oh, you had some. How about a helmet? It exists. I forgot to tell you guys, I cannot see. It's going to be only going by
Steven,
feel.
where'd you put that beard?
Mike, we have where's your ground?
It's yours, about to put you guys.
Well, let's go to his way.
What do you need?
I don't know. Something to push this down so I can tag it. Oh, never mind, I got it.
I got
Okay,
pliers. Do you have
everybody
pliers?
watch the bright light.
I just want to look at it.
That's the problem. It is pretty.
Oh,
It's working.
Now, the day I thought I'd see welding on.
Oh, you have to turn that one on probably, Norm. Sorry.
oh yeah. Right, how do I do it? Oh,
That's some
on.
content right there.
It's so bright.
Like
it can,
4 batteries.
Steven, it's doing it.
Weld. Is he? Yeah, I figured the thing should do it. Should
Are
be
those
fine.
18s, M18s?
Yeah.
He's got that filter wrench, that chain one.
Oh.
Put it on. Turn that.
Pull it up.
Yeah, just turn it. Because it lines up, but it needs to be turned
to twist in.
How many mechanics does it take to change a turbo?
I don't know who else mechanic here. I'm not.
I'm not.
I think it's a turbo install at this point.
I just pretend to be one.
Yeah. You would need mechanics to start counting them.
The turbo.
Yeah. We can't count.
Well, you're putting a chain drive on, Norm.
Yeah, that's the newest for LS. LS would love that, eh?
Spare timing chain.
Yeah.
I found it, I think.
A little longer. Yeah, fuck it, whatever.
Now you need that 7/16.
Man, you didn't even drop me a bar on the tired by that point.
Oh,
So.
yeah.
Tired and hungry.
Well, this is. You gotta put this one on first, right?
I think the other day we kind of...
Both at the same time?
Yeah. Oh, I should put this down.
Well, that was pretty easy.
Okay. I'll do the hard end.
Just use that finger that's missing, Norm. You won't miss the rest of it.
Give me a little flat screwdriver. Thanks, Mikey. Hey, Mikey, he likes it. Fucking a lot of guys in this truck. This is fucking awesome.
That's the best part.
Fucking best part. 6 guys fucking wrenching on one little fucking turbo. It's just a baby turbo. I ordered the exact same. I mean, this thing.
If it works good, it works good.
We fucking kill
So you
it.
can't reseal the old one, Norm?
No, there's no seals in it.
You can't change the rings in it?
Well, you could. No, we couldn't get a kit.
Oh, really?
No. Well, Chris found a place later.
So you got a good spare turbo now.
Yeah.
So I'm going to end this video there. Appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of the action this week. I'm putting up a video every single day of Miles of Mayhem. If you see me at the track, definitely stop by, say hi. I appreciate that. But I appreciate every single one of you guys for sticking around in the video, watching it this long. But yeah, tomorrow is the official start, day 1 of Miles of Mayhem. So let's get after it. This film rig is really cool.
So this crane can stick out so you can get like low shots of your car rolling.
It's awesome.